Here are some examples of the specificity of enzyme. That amylase enzyme can only act on the starch, and when amylase digests starch, it converts starch into maltose. Then lipase. Lipase is an enzyme which can only act on the fat molecules and digest the fat molecules into fatty acids and glycerol. Then protease. Protease is an enzyme which can only act on the protein molecules and digest the protein molecules into amino acids. Then enzyme working in building up reactions, and also they work for the breaking down reactions. So here we see the example of enzyme working in a building up reactions. Here you can see this is the enzyme molecule and these are the substrate molecules. When two substrate molecules which can fit into the active sites, here you can see one is fitted into the enzyme and second can also fit in the active site of enzyme. When they fit into the enzyme, now this structure is called enzyme substrate complex. Then enzyme molecule free to take part in another reaction. Here you can see enzyme is free and new substrate is formed from the two substrate that is single in structure, and now this is called product. Enzyme working in the breaking down reaction. Here you can see this is the enzyme and this is the substrate molecule. When substrate molecule fit into the enzyme, now this structure is called enzyme substrate complex. Now again enzyme is free to take part in a next reaction and substrate molecule has broken down into two products. These are the products of a reaction.